Hi, I'm Adam Mortimer. I'm the Director of Marketing for MGE, and for this tip, I want to talk about the biggest mistake dentists tend to make with their websites. Now, this is extra important because this is also a major factor in any successful marketing campaign, whether it's postcards or Google ads, or whatever it is. You're tending to drive people to your website before they actually call the office or come in for an appointment. Right? So having a good website is kind of the key to making any marketing work nowadays. And the biggest mistake dentists tend to make with their website is that they think of it as a brochure or an online business card or just a way to get their name and some information out there. Right? Well, if you're paying for any marketing, you're trying to drive people to your website, you don't just want to have, your name and the services and the hours of operation, kind of look that information over, take it or leave it, maybe look at some other dentists. No, if someone's on your website, you want to take advantage of the opportunity. You want to really capture them and motivate them to pick up the phone right now and schedule their appointment. Right? Because if they go to your website and they leave, they're probably never coming back again. Right? So when you just have an online brochure or just a little bit of information on your site, you're not actually directing the visitor to do anything or motivating them to take action. And that's the key to it. Now, how do you motivate the person to take some action? Well, first you have to have a clear call to action on your website. Now, a call to action is basically where you tell the person what you want them to do. Right? Schedule your appointment today. Call this number to schedule your appointment. Right? Be very clear that you're welcoming new patients and you would like to invite them into your office. If you don't believe me, talk to a receptionist sometime. Ask them how often they've gotten the question when people call, are you accepting new patients? That should never, ever be a question. There should never be any doubt that you are absolutely accepting new patients and you'd love to get them scheduled right now. All right, so have your call to action there and have a special offer. Right? The point of this isn't that you're attracting shoppers or giving away your services, but have some kind of special offer just to get people in the door, whether it's an exam in X-ray or an exam in cleaning or whatever it is. Give them a little something, give them a little bit of a deal to get them to come in for the first time. Now, the next thing is to have very clear headlines that grab somebody's attention and gets them to keep reading or stay on the website. Now, how do you do this? Well, first you have to find out what people in your area actually want from a dentist or what they're looking for when they're looking for a dentist. To do this, you do surveys. You have to actually talk to these people and ask them. Now, we'll cover this more in depth and how to do it at the MG New Patient Workshop. I'll include a link below the video so you can get more information about it if you'd like. But the important thing is that you have headlines there that's going to attract their interest and get them to stay on the page. And then you want to have at least a page for each of your main important services that you offer, that you want to attract patients for, right? Whether it's implants or Invisalign, dentures, pediatric dentistry, whatever it is, make sure you have pages about that aren't just a little bit of information. It doesn't just say that you offer these services, but actually it gives you a little chance to sell the person on the idea of these procedures. It kind of answers the common questions they might have, very simple explanations of how it works, and something that will motivate them to come to your office and schedule it to do this procedure right away. And lastly, include testimonials throughout your website. Now, before you buy anything online, what do you do first? You look at the reviews. Well, same thing if someone's looking for a dentist, they're going to want to hear from other real people who have been to that dentist. So make that easy for them, put it right on your website so they don't have to go off to a review site to get that. Now, best case scenario, you would have an excellent rating on Google and on Yelp and on any other sites where patients can leave reviews. But at the very least, have these testimonials on your website so that people can read some reviews before they make their decision. All right, that's my tip. I hope you liked it. And if you want more tips like this, make sure you click the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or want any more information, give us a call anytime at 800-640-1140. Thanks for watching.